Good morning, cooking class. All right. So, I know this is a little bit different than what we're used to and what we've done this whole semester, but today marks our very first virtual learning lesson, and I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. I know it's not the same as being in the kitchen together, and I miss you guys so much, but I think this is going to be fun, especially because these videos are now yours to keep. So this means that you can refer back to them at any point, and you have more than just a piece of paper. You also have a learning tool to go back to. So I think you guys are going to really like this. I'm going to have some guest stars come in and help us. So with that being said, this morning we are going to be making smoothie bowls. I think most of you have heard me talk about smoothie bowls. I have them almost every single morning for breakfast, and it is truly one of my favorite things to eat. So the way that I eat my smoothie bowl came from my sister. She is an expert at making smoothie bowls, and just in a little bit we're gonna swipe over to her kitchen, and she's gonna teach you how to make smoothie bowls. Before we go into that, I wanted to make just a few things clear, and that is one, if you don't have the ingredients to make a smoothie bowl, that is completely fine. You can use what you have to make your own breakfast bowl. So if you don't have frozen fruit, you can use yogurt as your base and put toppings on that. You could also use oatmeal as your base and put your toppings on that. There's so many different creative ways that you can make your own breakfast bowl. So if you don't have the ingredients, don't stress it. Just take what you can, and it'll be really great. So right now we're gonna slide over to Lauren's kitchen. That's her name, Miss Lauren. And I hope you guys have a great time, and remember, wash your hands. All right, bye guys.
For this smoothie bowl recipe, you're gonna need 2 cups of fruit, some kind of milk. Mine is a plant-based milk because I have allergies. You're going to need some kind of protein powder, 1 cup of ice, some stevia, or you can just use any kind of sweetener to just add some sweetness to your smoothie bowl. And then once we're done and we have all that in, then we're going to top it with some of our favorite toppings. We can do strawberries or banana, peanut butter to make it like a PB&J, drizzle it with honey, and then you could add some of these chia seeds. So now I'm going to show you how to make this. Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Dawn, and I am Miss Humphrey's sister, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a smoothie bowl today. So I just showed you the ingredients that you're going to need, so we're going to just jump right in and get started. First thing you're going to need is you're going to need some kind of blender. This could be a normal blender. This one is a Ninja Chef, so it's a little bit more high speed. You could also use one of those NutriBullets or Magic Bullets that you just kind of put the cup inside and it blends it in for you. Mine's going to be more the texture of ice cream, but if yours is more liquidy, that's completely okay too. So we're going to open up a blender, and the first thing, order matters, the first thing that we're going to put in is we're going to put in 2 cups of frozen blueberries. This could be any frozen fruit. You could do strawberries, bananas, but you need to do about 2 cups of frozen fruit to get you started. The next thing that you want to put in, and if you don't have this, this is completely okay, but this just adds some good healthy protein to your smoothie bowl, and that is a protein powder. So I'm using the Garden of Life, and so I'm just going to take 1 big scoop of this and put it in after the frozen fruit. The next thing that we're going to add in is our 1 cup of ice. We're just going to go ahead and pour that in. Okay, you will now notice that my smoothie bowl has already been blended. That is because my camera just shut off. So I'm going to just redo what I just did, and I didn't realize it was not recording. So after I put the ice in, I take this stevia, and stevia is a natural sweetener that comes from a plant. Sometimes people put sugar in things, but this is a healthier version of sugar. So I do about 4 drops of this, and this is called stevia, and you can usually find this at Publix or Kroger, or if you're near a Trader Joe's. and I just put 4 drops of it in there, and this is a sweetener that God gave us through a plant. So then after that, I personally just start to blend up because I like the ice creamy texture, but you're probably going to want to go ahead and add whatever milk you want to put in it. So after I blend it up for about 30 seconds, then I add probably 1/4 of a cup to my smoothie, and then we're good after that. So now I'm going to put my smoothie in my bowl, and we're gonna add the toppings, and this is where you can get really fun and creative, and you can add whatever toppings you want. You can add bananas, strawberries, blueberries, chocolate chips, peanut butter, honey. You can do whatever you want to do, but I'm going to show you what I put on mine. I'll go ahead and show you the texture of our smoothie bowl. So you can tell it's a little bit thicker. Can't really dump it out because it's more like an ice cream, but yours may be a little bit more liquidy, but that is completely okay. Now I'm going to take a wooden spoon and I'm going to take my smoothie and I'm gonna put it in a bowl. So after I put my smoothie in my bowl, then I got all my toppings that I wanted to put on. So I do about 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries, and then I cut up some strawberries and lined them up all pretty. And then in the middle, those are called chia seeds, and those are just healthy fat, and it just really makes it pretty. So you could have added some peanut butter to it, or banana, or any other fruit that you may like. And then the funnest part for me, funnest, not sure, Miss Hudlow, if that's a word, but I then take my honey and I drizzle it all over my smoothie bowl, and it just makes it super yummy and sweet. So that is the smoothie bowl for today, and I hope that you try this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you try this smoothie bowl. Let Miss Hudlow know if you do, and I might just talk to you in another video. Bye.